Peace. Assalamu alaikum. This is Lorena. So, I've been busy today. I have an order for some cleaning buckets. And this is the first time I've done them. I've advertised them before on Facebook, but I didn't get any bites. But this time someone wanted 3. So I'm going to show you what I put in them. It's basically the bundle set that they do with the counter clean, the bathroom cleaner, and the concentrate. So the extra items that I added to it was the Brillo scrub cloth, a scrubbing brush with a handle on it. 'Cause I like the ones with a handle because it's easier. You don't mess up your nails and whatnot. You can just kind of hold the handle. And then a sponge for areas that, you know, you don't want to scratch it up and whatnot. You got a little sponge. And then, of course, some gloves and a bucket. So I put my little extra touch on it because I wrapped mine. The ones I showed her, they were just, you know, the things in the bucket, they weren't wrapped, but I just went the extra mile and wrapped it in the cellophane. And you can buy cellophane from Florist Wholesalers. If you're in Metro Detroit, they have a wholesaler at 10 Mile in Van Dyke. So if you're coming from the east side, you go, I think you go, oh, I know, it's on the east side, Van Dyke and 10 Mile. Okay, just find Van Dyke, 10 Mile, you'll find it. Anyway, they have cellophane there, they have ribbon, all different colors. I chose blue, and then I have the little curling ribbon that I tied it with. And if you don't know how to make florist bows, this is a florist bow, all right? Because I'm a florist by trade. That's one of my trades and skills. But you could just use some curling ribbon and just tie it in a bow, and you'll be good anyway. So that is my cleaning buckets that I do. And if you're interested in one, let me know and I can put one together for you. All right, peace. Assalamu alaikum.